for me, another really powerful open world is the Elder Scrolls world. It's role playing, it's fantasy, dragons, all that kind of stuff.
Todd is great at what he does.
Yeah.
They're more. I mean, from a technical perspective, we're always involved. I'd be in the same with the new games. We're constantly trying to find the balance between, RPG, a role playing game, and an action game. And and try to go, well, an action adventure game with RPG elements. And what does that mean? And I think they've all kind of moved into roughly the same space. But for me, it always just comes down to, is it easy to play? Are our mechanics super slick? And then can we keep our dialogue feeling very alive?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm not always a great, for what we do. I like when other people do it. For what we do, we always want very punchy dialogue. So don't give big trees, but still have it interactive.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna lose a touch of interactivity, but we'll still have the dialogue feeling like it's alive. But we'll get better at dialogue, and it'll feel a slightly more cinematic experience.
Yeah, I think the Elder Scrolls series have almost always leaned a little more towards the open world.
Yes, they're real RPGs.
Yeah,
we've not the games that I've worked on. They've not really been RPGs. They've had RPG elements onto a story-driven action game. It's a kind of just a slightly different emphasis, but I still think what they do is amazing. He's brilliant at doing it.
And I think Grand Theft Auto, Red Dead Redemption, and Skyrim are games where you have millions of people that just walk around or drive around
and feel the world.
Feel the world. Just feel the world.
And The Witcher, same thing.
And Baldur's Gate 1, 2, and 3, really interesting. They really tried to make every choice that you make genuinely branch the game to where it's not the illusion of choice. It's really, choice really does something. And that's really hard to pull off, technically.
Yes, and hard to pull off. You've always sort of debating the sweet spot between that and a strong story.
Yeah.
And strong mechanics. It's hard to get them all, and as a game making team, the whole the teams kind of have to figure out where they want to fall on that line.